Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to log into your Academy credit card account. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Academy credit card is a store card that offers free shipping and cashback on all of its purchases in store and online. If you'd like to log into your credit card account and get access to it, then here's how to do it. Open up a web browser to get started. In the search box that pops up at the top, go ahead and type in Academy Credit Card Login and press enter. Right in the search results on the next page, click on this first link that says Manage Your Account-Community, and you'll be taken to this page over here. Go to the top of the screen and click on the sign in button in order to log into your credit card account for Academy Sports Plus Outdoors. You'll be able to see the login portal located at the right hand side of the screen. Type in a user ID that is associated with your account. Now, head over to the next field and type in your password. Make sure to double check your password before moving on by clicking on this little show link or the eye icon. If you'd like the system to remember your credentials, click the Remember Me box, but make sure to leave it unchecked before logging into your account if you're using a public device or a shared computer. In case you've forgotten your username or your password, click on Forgot Username/Password link and follow the on-screen prompts in order to look for your username or to reset your password. Finally, after you're done typing in your credential and you're ready to log into your Academy credit card account, click the sign in button, and that is it. That's how you'll be able to get access to your credit card account for Academy. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.